Manji students, so everyone has joined. So we have section A, B, C, D, E, F, and G also. Very good morning, teachers.
Morning, sir.
We have till section F. Okay, note. Yeah. So
मैं इसको सेट करूंगा आपकी क्लास में।
डी अपना कैमरा ऑन कीजिए। 10th D, switch on your camera.
कैमरा ऑन है सर, 1 मिनट में सर को बुला, उसकी अलाइनमेंट करने वाली है, करवाते हैं।
Okay, sir. So my voice is clear to everyone. Please raise your hand if it is clear. Right. चलिए, तो सबको सुनाई दे रहा है जी। सेक्शन 10E. Am I audible? 10E. बच्चों आवाज आ रही है मेरी? E अपना माइक अनम्यूट कीजिए जी। E. Please unmute your mic. E, am I audible or not? अगर अब मैं सुन पा रहे हो आप मेरे को तो प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स। 10E नहीं सुन रहे हैं, so please check out. हाँ जी, other section, am I audible? Your hand.
Yes.
हाँ जी, section D, am I audible? Section D, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes.
आ रही है. Okay, so only there is an issue with section E. So sir, please check your system. Everyone can clearly hear me. Right. So shall we start? Shall we start, students?
Yes, sir.
Right. So students, today we are going to start with coordinate geometry. You have done coordinate geometry in class 9 also. So can anybody tell me what is the meaning of coordinate? What is the meaning of coordinate geometry or coordinate? Who will tell me? Please raise your hands. कौन बताएगा बच्चों कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का क्या मीनिंग है?
Yes, sir. 10th B is visible now.
10th B, yes. डार्क है सर बट विजिबल है. 10th B और 10th F. आपका यहाँ पे लाइट का कोई इश्यू है? प्रॉपर्ली क्लियर नहीं है आपकी वीडियो. हाँ, लाइट का इश्यू है जी. सेम इज विद 10th F.
ये वाली बंद करो.
हाँ जी, अब ठीक है सर. वेरी नाइस. 10th. Right. So students, when we talk about coordinate geometry, the meaning of coordinate geometry, when we say geometry, it's a branch of mathematics. When we say coordinate, now you know this is a plane, this is a Cartesian plane, students. Cartesian plane. Now what is Cartesian plane? You have done this in the classes, previous classes, students. So this is a Cartesian plane, means when you represent anything, right, or any point on this plane, right, position of this point, let's say this point is P. Now how we draw this point? Let's suppose we have this point P 2, 3. So what is the meaning of this? This is called x coordinate. What is the other name for x coordinate, students? You have done in 9th class. Abscissa. axis are, right? What is the coordinate? Y. Another name?
Coordinate.
Coordinate. When you represent this point on this Cartesian plane, so this point is 2, 0 and this point is 0, 3. So you take the intersection of these points, means you raise a perpendicular from 2, 0 and 0, 3, wherever they met, that is the position of the point P, right? This study of the points, right, represented by two dimensions is known as the study of is known as coordinate geometry. Is this clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Now, in the previous class, you have learned how to plot the points, how to draw a line, right? कैसे ग्राफ पे एक लाइन को ड्रॉ करना है जी विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स. स्टूडेंट्स लास्ट क्लास में आपने इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल जब की है, दिस इज ए लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स. You have learned how to draw the graph of this line. किया है स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों ने? Suppose we have 2x plus y equal to 4. You know how to draw this line on the coordinate axis. Have you done it or not? 9th क्लास में बच्चों ने किया है, 10th में भी किया है आपने, 10th में किया है आपने लीनियर इक्वेशन किया है बेटा, साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन. देयर वी हैव ड्रॉन दिस लाइंस और थोड़ा सा आइडिया तो लिया ही है ना कौन कौन सी लाइंस होती है. एनीवे, one of the application of this coordinate geometry is, suppose we have 2 points, right? If we have to find out the distance between these 2 points, let's say this point is P, this is Q. The coordinate of P is x1, y1 and coordinate of Q is x2, y2. If you have to find the distance between these 2 points with the help of coordinate geometry, how we can do it, right? When you meet this line, थोड़ा सा मैं और बड़ा करके दूंगा. Let's say now this is point P, this is point Q. The coordinate of Q is x2, y2 and coordinate of P is, when you meet this, now you have to find the distance between P and Q with the help of coordinate geometry. How to draw this? Now draw the perpendicular from P and Q on the x-axis. What will be the coordinate of this point, students? What will be the coordinate of this point?
X1 and 0.
x1, 0, right? What is the coordinate of this point? x2, 0. What will be the, if you draw this line, what will be the coordinate of this point? Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. What will be the coordinate?
Y1.
And what will be the coordinate of this point?
0, y2.
Now, this will be a right angle triangle. Let's say this will be a right angle triangle, students.
X.
What will be the length of QR? What will be the length of QR? देखिए बच्चों, what is the meaning of this point? This total length. What is this length? y2. बच्चे आप points plot कर रहे हैं. Suppose if I say this point is 0, 4, what will be the length of this segment? What will be the length?
4.
Unit. If I say this is the point 0, 2, what will be the length of this segment? This is 2. This total is 4. Yes or no? Is this clear? Student, is this clear or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So what will be the length of this part?
2.
How? 4 minus 2. Is it clear? Is this clear or not, students?
Yes.
So now tell me what will be the length of this part QR.
Y2 minus Y1.
Very good. Y2 minus Y1. What will be the length of PR? Same way.
X2 minus X1.
This is X1. So this part will be X2 minus X1. Now can we apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR? What is Pythagoras theorem? This will be your perpendicular. This will be your base. This will be your hypotenuse. Since we have to find out hypotenuse, what is the Pythagoras theorem, students? This is the Pythagoras theorem. Yes.
Yes.
Now we have to find h. So can I write? Can I write like this? Is this clear?
Yes.
Anything not clear? Now what will be h here now? What is p? What is the length of perpendicular? Is this clear? Plus the length of base is x2 minus x1 and whole square of this square root. Is it clear?
Yes.
This formula is known as distance formula between 2 points when their coordinates are given. This is called the distance formula. Is it okay, students? Have you understood this?
Yes.
Anything not clear? Any student have any slightest of doubt, please ask. बच्चे कोई hesitate नहीं करना. Whatever your doubts, please ask the questions. Right. So you can note down this formula, students. Note it down, students.
सर
हाँ जी.
सर आई हैव डाउट सर, ये रियल लाइफ में सर कहाँ पर यूज होता है सर?
क्या चीज? ये फार्मूला?
सर यस.
देखिए क्या है कि लाइफ में कहाँ पे यूज होता है. योर पॉइंट इज वेरी राइट. व्हेनेवर आपने आर्किटेक्ट्स देखे हैं बेटा? आर्किटेक्ट्स, यू नो व्हाट इज आवर प्रोफेशन? आर्किटेक्ट
यस.
क्या होता है बेटा आर्किटेक्ट?
सर जो बनाते हैं बिल्डिंग सर.
या बिल्डिंग नहीं बनाते, जो ड्राइंग्स बनाते हैं, राइट? Whenever they draw the map of anything, right, they draw in this way because they have to keep into account very small distances also. They can't miss anything. Suppose I am here in Chandigarh. When Chandigarh was planned, क्या होता है आजकल तो ड्रोन्स आ गए बेटा. Earlier there were no drones. क्या होता था कि पूरा आपने उसकी मेजरमेंट की सिटी की, then you have planned every sector, every dimensions they have to measure, and there this distance formula are very handy, right? There are so many things where you can use. This is a very simple thing and it's used a lot, right?
यस सर.
There is one thing, the finding the distance is manually. एक तो हो गया आप टेप लोगे, टेप के साथ मेजर करोगे. Once you have taken the location of the point, then by this formula you can directly do it. These days there are so many things, by artificial intelligence you can measure any distance, right? There is no need of the measuring tape and all these things. But basics are these things. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we move to some questions on this topic. See, 2 points are given to you. Let's say the points is minus 2 comma 3. Another point is B, which is minus 5 comma minus 7. If we have to find the distance between these 2 points, we have to find AB. Now how to do this? You can take any point as x1 y1 or any point as x2 y2. Right? For example, I take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Right? This is clear. Be very careful when you are taking the points. Maximum mistakes student commit in this thing only. What they do x1, x2, y1, y2 sometimes, right? Or the calculation parts. See, what is the formula? X2 minus x1. Now what is x2? Minus 5 minus 2 whole square. So please take care of this particular calculation in the questions. This is the major problematic area for students. Is it clear? So whenever you are taking the minus term, please put the brackets. Otherwise, you will commit the mistakes in the calculation part. Plus y2 minus y1. What is y1? y2, that is minus 7 minus 3 whole square. Now take the square root of this entire thing. Right? What this becomes? Minus 5 minus 2. What it becomes?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Minus 5 plus 2. This becomes minus 5 plus 2 whole square plus minus 7 minus 3 whole square. So this will become minus 3 whole square plus minus 10 whole square. So you further calculate this 9 plus. So what is the distance between these 2 points is 109 square units. Sorry, units, not squares. It's not the area, it will be the units. Right? Is this clear, students?
Yes.
Anything not clear? Right. Shall we move to the next question?
Yes.
Please find the distance between the point, let's say 7 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 0. Please find the distance between these 2 points.
So the correct answer is under root 13.
Under root
13.
13. Let me check. Let's say this is x1, this is y1, x2, y2, right? So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? 5 minus 7 is minus 2 whole square plus minus minus plus. So this will be, so that will be 2 to the, so answer will be under root 30. Is this clear? Is this clear, students?
Yes.
Any doubts to anyone? Right. So we move on to the next question. Right? What is the meaning of collinear, students? What do you mean by collinear? बेटा collinear means line. हाँ जी बोलिए बोलिए.
Lie on the same line, straight line.
Collinear means if I have to check whether the given points are collinear. Now the points which lie on the same line are known as collinear points. Now if you have to check this points collinear by the distance formula. Let's say we have 3 points given. Let's say the question is the points are 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11. We have to check whether these points are collinear or not. Now, if these points are collinear, let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C, right? When we have to check the points, whether these points are collinear or not, what we have to do, find the distance AB, BC, and AC. You find these 3 distances. If the sum of 2 distances is equal to the third one, then they are collinear, right? So please find AB, BC, and AC. Can you do it? If yes, then raise your hand. Oh, very few. 10th you can't do? Please do, students. Just आपको बेटा distance formula लगा के distance find out करना है. First of all, find AB, then BC, and then AC. बेटा when you are finding distance, suppose कीजिए when you are finding AB, you have taken this as x1, this as y1, and this as x2, this as y2. Right? These are not the fixed things. When you are finding BC, you can take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Right? Is it clear? Or you can take this remains x2, y2. This you can take x1, y1. It is one and same thing. जी स्टूडेंट्स AB फाइंड आउट कर लिया.
Root 5.
Under root 5.
√ 5 आ गया, राइट जी. What is the value of BC?
212 units. Under root 212.
Under root. Everyone got this answer?
Yes.
In and 196. Yes, 212 is correct. Then find AC. Then find AC.
AC is under root 265.
AC is under root 265. Minus 39 and 256. 265. Right? Does all of you got the same answers?
Yes.
Now you have to check whether these are collinear or not. Now you have to calculate their square roots. You know how to find out the square roots? Can you
Yes.
calculate the square roots? Because you have to calculate. Now the sum of these two should be equal to under root 265. Please calculate their square roots. Do you know how to calculate the square roots? Yes or no students? Long division method आता है आपको? रूट 5 का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करना है बच्चे, कैसे करते हैं? So you have to keep divisor as well as quotient same digits. Now it is 2 to the 4. So you will subtract it 1, then you will carry 0 and you will put a decimal here. Now what you have to do? You have to add these two digits, 2 plus 2, or you can simply multiply the quotient by 2. So 2 to the 4. So you take 2 here, then you put the same digit here and same here. So what digit I shall put here? 4 के साथ बेटा कौन सी डिजिट लगाई जाए कि जिससे ये डिवीजन रूल को सेटिस्फाई करे? बेटा देखो, अगर मैं 1 लगाता हूं तो 41 1 जा 41, राइट? इफ आई पुट 2, 42 2 जा 84. सो ये डिवीजन रूल सेटिस्फाई करता है ना? इफ यू पुट 3, 43 3 जा 129, तो ग्रेटर हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट वी शैल पुट हियर? Is it clear? Is this clear or not?
Yes.
Now divide this 16. Again carry 2 zeros. Now what the next step is? This 22 multiplied this by 2. So what this becomes? 44. Now the same digit should be here and here. Now what digit shall I put here? Just tell me what should be here. 3. तो यहाँ पे 3 आ गया. बस. Leave this here only. We are concerned with this answer. So what is the value of this? 2.23. Is it clear? Is this clear, students?
Yes.
Now similarly find out for 212 and 265. Same way find out for 265 and 212. Will you try it or shall I help you? देखिए बच्चों, when you are finding for 212, the process for this number is you have to make the pairs from the back side. So one pair will be this, one will be this, right? Again the same rule. Whatever is your divisor, that should be the same thing will be the quotient. So 1 was a 1. So what is subtracted? You got 1. Then carry the pair. Now multiply your quotient by 2. So 2 ones are 2. Now what should be the digit here? What digit should be here? Tell me, students.
4.
4. Why not 5? Because 25 5s are 125. So you will put here 4. 4 here. to 96. So remainder is 16. Then put the decimals and carry a pair of zeros. Put decimal here. So now 14 to the 28. What digit should be here? Now tell me. बताइए बच्चे जल्दी से. What digit should be 28? Yes, students, tell me what digit should be put with 28. Will it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? What it will be? This question can come here in your exam also, because this is an NCERT question. So you should know how to do the calculation, students. बेटा यहाँ पे 5 आएगा, right? देखिए कैसे आइडिया लगता है बेटा कि यहाँ पे कौन सा डिजिट आएगा. Just see. Let me tell you how to figure out. Everybody look at the board. Now whatever digit you will put here, it will be closer to 300. Yes or no?
Yes.
When you divide 1600 by 300, so you multiply 300 by numbers. 300 ones are 300, 600, 900, 1200, 1500. Then is 1800. So it can't be greater than 1600. So you can't put it 6 here. You have to put here 5. Is this clear?
Yes.
So this will become 1475. Right? 5 5s are 25 to 1425. Right, students? So this becomes 175. Again carry 2 zeros. So again make the double of this. That becomes 290. So now when you put some digit here, it will be approximately equal to 3000. So 3000 should divide here. At what number? It will be somewhere approx 6. So this comes out to be equal to 14.56. Now we have to calculate for 265. Right? 265. You please try for 265 now. Any doubt, students, in this? Square root find out करना आ रहा है सबको? Next, students, find out for 265. Let's see. Again the same process. Make the factors pairs from the back side. Again 1 ones are 1. 65. 2. What should be the digit here now? What should be the digit?
6.
6. So 26 6 are. Yes, students. 26 6 are.
156.
9. So put 2 zeros. Carry. So 16 2s are 32. So you have to put here 2. That becomes 6 4 4. 56. 256. Now you put 2 zeros and divide. अच्छा 2 नहीं लगाया. Right? So now you double this. So what it becomes? Now what should be the digit now? Tell me. It should be somewhere around 3 7. So this becomes 16.27. Now check whether the sum of these two is 16.27 or not. When you add these two, what is the answer? This is 16.79. This is 16.27. Are they collinear? Are they collinear or not? Student, the sum of, see, this is A, this is B, this is C. AB is 2.23, BC is 14.56, but AC total is 16.27. So are they collinear or not? Are they collinear? बेटा total same नहीं आ रहा, so therefore not collinear. Is it clear? No voice. Am I audible?
Yes.
Why you are not responding? बेटा या तो समझ आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. अगर नहीं आ रहा है then also please let me know. ये समझ में आया आपको क्वेश्चन या नहीं आया जी?
आ गया।
आ गया ना? किसी बच्चे को कोई डाउट हो तो प्लीज कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चंस. Let me move on the next question. Now the question is, students, we have been given the points -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2, and -3, 0. Now what we have to do, we have to check what type of quadrilateral is formed by these points taken in order. Taken in order means, what is the meaning of this? If you take them in order, let's say you are taking A, B, C, D. It should not be A, B, C, D. No, it should be order, whether clockwise or anti-clockwise. Is it clear? So what we have here, find the distances. First find AB, BC, CD, and AD. Find these four distances. If need be, we'll find the diagonal also, that is AC and BD. हाँ जी, AB फाइंड आउट हो गया स्टूडेंट्स? Have you find out AB?
Sir, AB is 2 under root 2 units.
Under root 2 units. And what is BC? Have you find BC also?
Sir, 2 under root 2 units.
2 under root, right. And what is BC?
BC is also 2 under root 2 units.
Very good. And what is CD? Have you find out CD? हाँ जी बेटा, CD नहीं फाइंड आउट किया?
2 under root 2 unit.
A में?
Yes.
And what is DA or AD? That also comes out to be 2 under root 2. बेटा सबको समझ आ रहा है कि AB कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? देखिए 1 माइनस, इसको कैसे फाइंड आउट किया? 1 माइनस माइनस 1 यानी कि 1 प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 0 माइनस 2, that is 2 whole square. So what this becomes? 2 plus 2 whole square, 2 square plus 2 square, that is 4 plus 4 under root 8, which is equal to 2 root 2. Similarly, you can find out all, they all are coming out to be 2 root 2. Now tell me, what type of quadrilateral is this? All the four sides are equal. We can have, Anji, tell me. Beta, when four sides are equal, all the four sides, it can be either square or rhombus. Now we have to check second thing, whether it is a square or a rhombus. Now tell me what are the differences between square and rhombus? How you will check whether this is a square or a rhombus?
As diagonals of squares are equal.
Very good. Diagonals of square are equal and diagonals of
Rhombus
are unequal. So please find their diagonals. That is AC and BD. So now calculate the distance AC and BD. If they are equal, then it will be a square. If they are unequal, then it will be a rhombus. So please find out diagonal, students.
diagonals are 4 units.
Both are 4 units.
Yes.
Only one student is doing, I think the other is not responding. How many of you have done this? Please raise your hand. There is no one who's raising hands in none of the sections except one student. Students sitting in 10th E, front benchers. Why you are not doing better? 10th E में जो front bench पे student बैठे हैं, दो student, दो boys, एक का मेरे को hand नजर आ रहा है, एक one is writing, that is left-handed person, उसके साथ वाला student, why he is not doing? 10th E. So students, therefore it will be a square. Since all the sides are equal and both the diagonals are equal, that will be a square. हाँ जी बेटा, ऑन कीजिए जरा माइक अपना पहले 10th E में आपका माइक ऑफ है बेटा. I was calling these two students जो फ्रंट बेंच पे बैठे हुए हैं ना. नहीं ये जो मेरे राइट पे, हाँ जी, both these boys, please come. Please come, both of you. Come near the mic, students. Please call that also. हाँ जी बेटा, have you done the question? Have you done the question or not? Is there any teacher present? Any teacher, sir or ma'am? Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, please check whether he has done it or not. Please check their notebooks, both of them.
So they are doing.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Please sit down, madam. Yes, students, any doubt in this question to any one of you? Okay, so we move to the next question. Okay, students, we'll finish our class here only. So we tomorrow we'll continue with this topic only, right? So thank you very much. Thanks a lot, teachers, for your cooperation.
Thank you, sir.